guidelines discussed and executed with the officers of the Ministry of Health. So those who might go carrying out circumcision with all sorts of gadgets and killing our children will be held completely and totally responsible. Because we have already said that this is not something that you should go doing. This virus is very, very easy to spread. Can you imagine if you had a circumciser who is positive himself and goes cutting away 100 kids? Can you imagine the impact of something like that? So I think for those who are sane, because there are guys who are just insane. For those who are sane, please stop your children from being taken to somebody who just goes under the name of guys as a circumciser, who has not been tested, who we don't know, who doesn't know the status of. We don't know under what kind of health circumstances they are operating. So it's important. It's important. We appreciate. This is a very important ceremony. We know that. Some of us have gone through it. But it is not to say that we go killing people in order for us to maintain some sense of ceremonial importance. It's good. It's important. But it is not enough reason to die for. 30 deaths, Chemtai, yes, you are right. There are 30 people who have died. This is a matter, of course, of serious concern. And you have seen there are younger people, which informs why we have been talking about the whole issue